Shopping for coral on New Year's Day. Will I be able to find coral? Stay tuned to find out on this episode of Tank Boys. Hey guys, so it's New Year's Day and pretty much every LFS is closed. Luckily, we have a buddy named Joe who is one of the owners for Trash Panda, which is an online coral store. So he doesn't live too far, he's probably about an hour away. So we're actually gonna go check out his farm and possibly take home some coral. Let's start this road trip, guys. I'm already prepared, got everything I need for this drive. Let's go. Okay, so we're about 4 minutes away from Joe's farm. You guys are in for a treat because he's got some amazing coral. We actually went to his farm not too long ago, and Manny ended up getting a huge trachea, and I ended up getting a torch, and I believe Manny got one too that day. And they're one of the most vibrant corals we have in our tanks. Let's see what he's got. So we made it to Joe's farm. He's got an amazing selection. Take a look. So he just left. Want to give a huge shout out to Joe for allowing us to go check out his farm. You guys should definitely give Joe some love and check out his website at trashpandaaquaculture.com. He's got an amazing array of corals to choose from. And right now he's got a promotion going on for New Year's. So definitely check it out. See about some of those amazing deals he has on his website. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna head home and we're gonna get things acclimated. So I'll see you guys at the house. Alrighty guys, now that we got home, let's get these bad boys acclimated. I have the whole setup that I'm gonna need to start my coral dipping. I'm just gonna open these bags here real quick. Water in here because I'm actually gonna use this to dip. I can't wait for you guys to check out the new torch I received. Let's put this down here. Let's open this one here. Alrighty. So what I purchased from Joe was a Rasta torch, which is this guy right here, and some Zoas. So first off, we're just gonna put some of this coral dip. Should be good. And then what I like to do is just slosh the water around with my extra baster here. Just to give some flow. Take off. It seems like there may not be enough water, so I'm just gonna add some of my water here. There we go, we should be good. So I have that separate water there for my tank, and that's just basically to rinse off whatever excess chemicals could be left on the corals before putting them into my tank. So I like to baste this for a little bit, and then I like to just let them sit for about 5 to 10 minutes and see what type of pests come off of these corals. What I also like to do is I like to take a toothbrush. So after 5 minutes of being in this water, just brush off whatever. Sometimes you'll see cyano, hair algae, stuff like that. So I just take this and brush it down to make sure I have no algae or cyano on here. So far looking good. Try not to get to the flesh of the torch so I don't mess with any of that flesh. That looks good. And for this here, I mean, this is always pretty clean. I'm looking at it right now, as you guys can see. Doesn't seem like there's any buildup or anything like that. This looks like it's actually just been fragged not too long ago. I'm actually gonna leave this the way it is. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna put it into the fresh water to rinse off any of the chemicals from the dip before actually putting it into my tank. So I'm just gonna let that sit in there for about another 5 minutes, and then we'll check on it, see if there's any excess pests, and then we'll put it in our tank. I haven't really found a spot for it, but I wanna keep everything on this side when it comes to the euphyllias. Right underneath both these other torches. So let's go ahead and put them down here. So I think right here would be a good spot. Perfect. And for now, I'm just gonna put this Zoa right here on the rack. Let's move this so you So let's give it about an hour. We'll come back and see how they're doing. That's gonna be it for another episode of Zoatank Boyz. If you guys like what you guys see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the notification bell. Until next time, Zoatank Boyz out.